Hello friends. So now we'll talk about the culture media. The culture media of two types. One is simple media, one is complex. Simple media is nutrient agar and nutrient broth, and they have only certain nutrition of peptone and meat extract. As we are concerned regarding the complex ones, it is having enrichment, along with that selective. Enriched is always solid, enrichment is always liquid, and the selective may be liquid also, but mostly it is solid. Examples of enriched media are blood agar and chocolate agar. Enrichment is selenite F broth and tetrathionate broth, and the selective ones typical examples are TCBS, which is used for Vibrio cholerae, mannitol salt agar, which is used for Staph aureus, along with that potassium telluride, which is being used for cornybacterium diphtheria. Okay, so these are the selective ones. Besides them, you have certain transport medias like Vibrio cholerae. You have Venkatraman Ramakrishna media and Cariblair media. Stewards and Amis, so meningo and gono. And Sachs buffer glycosylline was recently asked question, Salmonella and Shigella. Okay, and then you have antibiotic sensory testing media, that is termed as MHA, and MHA stands for what? Muller-Hinton agar. And a question for you, name a particular organism for which you do not use MHA, you use certain other media for the antibiotic sensory testing of that particular organism. Thank you so much.